A mid-Michigan attorney accused of taking advantage of a woman's incapacitation by stealing from her.
The victim was injured in a crash decades ago and required around-the-clock care. The
man in charge of overseeing her expenses now facing a felony charge that could send him to prison for a long time.
TV5's James Felton is live in Flint with more on what investigators are saying about this case. James?
Meg, David, investigators say this case leaves a trail of evidence 9 years in the making.
Well, it's always despicable when someone takes advantage of an elderly person.
But Genesee County Sheriff Robert Pickell says that's exactly what a Burton area lawyer did to a client he was entrusted to protect.
Rather than helping her and, being a support person, he turned out to be a monster.
Pickell says this man, attorney Joseph Basler, embezzled around $87,000 from a client dating back to 2010. The alleged 64-year-old victim is a car accident survivor who is incapacitated. Basler was assigned by the probate court to handle the woman's expenses, but Pickell claims the only bottom line Basler was looking out for was his own.
Our investigation showed that he used the money for his own personal luxuries and expenses, paid his mortgage, condo association fees, paid for his secretary, and of course used it for some of his own luxury.
Pickell says the probate court got suspicious and had an audit performed on Basler. Their findings led to the attorney's arrest.
He's charged with a 15-year felony. And I thought the prosecutor's office charged him appropriately.
Now, Basler was arraigned in court on Tuesday. He is free on bond. His next court appearance is later this month. And of course, Basler is presumed innocent until proven guilty. Reporting live and local in Flint, James Felton, WNEM, TV5.
Thank you, James. And you'll find resources for dealing with various types of elder abuse by going to the Hot Links section on the TV5 homepage.